Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Check your phone model, OS version, and that your carrier account is active. This ensures the fixes apply. Once done, back up app data and jot down current APN settings so you can restore them if needed. Next, remove and reset the SIM using a tool or swap with a known working spare. This quickly rules out physical SIM issues. Make sure Wi-Fi is available to download updates or lookup settings while you work. Now focus on configuration. Go to Network Settings and perform a full network reset to clear stale carrier data and VPN conflicts. This often restores connectivity. After resetting, manually recreate the APN exactly as your carrier specifies. Pay attention to MCC, MNC, APN type, and proxy fields because small errors block data. Then install any pending OS and carrier updates. Reboot after each update to let firmware apply changes, and test mobile data between reboots to isolate the fix. Finish with advanced troubleshooting. Test the phone using a different carrier SIM to see if the issue is provisioning or hardware. If other SIMs work, contact your carrier to re-provision or replace the SIM. Also boot into safe mode and disable VPNs or third-party apps that intercept network traffic, since those can block connections. One key tip: if steps fail, request carrier-side re-provisioning and ask them to check your IMEI. Most lingering issues come from provisioning or a faulty SIM, not the handset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.